welcome back to the channel. This is Jay, just checking in to see how everybody's doing. You know what? I got confused by this week because I forgot about the holiday and I thought today was Monday. And it's actually Tuesday, so I'm a little bit late getting up my plan with me, but it's going to be a good one, I think. Want to say hello to all my new subscribers and thanks for pressing that subscribe button and helping me out. Also, remember to, if you like the spread that I'm doing this week, press that like button and it helps my channel. Also, if you're just stopping by, stop by, press that subscribe button and see what else I do. I'm a planner, a crafter, and a hauler. That's what I do. Okay, this week I'm going to use the Beauty and Florals book, and it has like purples and pinks and kind of like that. So I'm gonna start, see what we get from this. You know what? I'm gonna need a new craft mat, but I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is because my craft mat is such a mess. Now, I missed Monday, Tuesday. So since I missed Monday, Tuesday, I'm gonna find something to put here. I'm just going to put this here because this asks a question. This says, put this down. There I go, having a problem. I hope everybody had a really nice 4th of July. We don't usually do much for 4th of July. My daughter and I just decided that we would just have us our normal little crab feast that we usually have. So that's what we did. We sat down and had our little crab feast together and talked and laughed and everything like that. So that's what we did for our 4th. Got invited to a barbecue, but I'm not much into doing that right now. So I didn't go out anywhere to do that. Okay, I think on Tuesday, since I missed it, I want to put, I like this book. This book is beautiful. Since I missed Tuesday, I want to if I can get it off of here. Come on, flower. Come on, flower. I can't get none of them off. They're really stuck down. But either, I'm just having a hard time with this. Let's see. Come on, flower. You can do it. So anyway, I wasn't much into doing anything. Come to think of it, I don't even recall if I kind of had my jammies on. Now Wednesday's and what's happening with me too is I have to go back to work. They said come in from 2 to 3 days per week. And so right now, I'm doing 2 days. So I had to, I have to go in to the office. And so I went today, you know, which I thought was Monday for some reason, but it was Tuesday. How come I'm having such a hard time getting these off of there? They're really kind of there. They're really hard to pick up, these. Come on, things. Give me some help. They're really stuck down here, really. Unless I'm just not into doing stickers like this after a while. They're really down there. Let me see if I can get my pokey tool. Help me get them up. No, they don't seem to want to come up. They're kind of, they're stuck down. The way they did this book, not that great, the way they did this one. They're hard to get up. So I have to peel up the backing to get that up there. So I want to put this here. Like that. I like that. Then down at the bottom, if I can get this to come up one more time. So anyway, we have to go into the office, and isn't this weird? Isn't this weird how that's down there? You get all this around it, so you can't really pick it up very good. Sometimes happy planner. Sometimes girls. It's hard to get these things up. And then you're not getting, see, look what it's doing. You're not even getting the whole sticker. You're just getting a little piece of it. The whole thing is not getting down there the right way. So I don't really like that. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have to cut that off. Use my little handy dandy cut things off thing. Cut that off. So anyway, we have to go into the office. And so this morning, I was supposed to get there quite early. But for some reason, for the weekend, I had turned off my alarm clock. So my clock decided, shoot, Jay, no need to get up early. So I didn't actually get up nice and early like I thought I was gonna do. I got up rather late. I had to rush myself in there. So I want to use this today here. And I'd like to use another thing here. This one says, keep going, girl. So I need that there. So I think since the beginning of the week, and I'm Monday and Tuesday, missed Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, very busy week at the job. Very busy week, so I'm gonna need some boxes that allow me to get stuff done. So I'm gonna need some more functional boxes I'm gonna need some functional boxes here instead of a lot of pretty boxes. Well, I can be pretty and functional at the same time, I think. Okay. I'd like to use this pink box here on Thursday. I like that, like that. Oh shoot, makeup and sweat. And I'd like to put a rose where I put that messed up spot at, right there. I'd like to use another pink box. Oh, let's use a purple box here. I like this one here. Oops. Don't stick, please don't stick. I don't want you to stick, don't stick. See how much time I have with these, what a bad time I have with stickers sometimes. It's a wonder I'm not always gluing stuff down, but I like this book. If you haven't seen this one's gorgeous. And I need, in this box, I'd like to have a nice saying that says something. I like to have this one that says, right there, it says, you got this. Thursday's gonna be a strange day for me. And I need, what I'd like, so I like these things, but I had such a hard time getting them up. See, because they cut them all up really weird. See, they're cut really weird. They put this whole thing around them like this, and they're really hard to get up without. See, you lose, with this thing that they put down, you lose almost half of your stickers, the way they cut it. So if you get this one, I hope yours is done much better than mine it was. So I want some more flower thing. I like another one of these here. You see that? You just mess up one day And your whole sticker thing's all messed up. Okay, I like that there. I want to use this one. This book. Sunday. I want to put this, since I'm using that. And this says, keep discovering whom you're meant to be. And I need something I need something for Friday. Friday. I like these flowers though. Hope they come up nicely. Oh, this one did. This one did. I like that. To take that up like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay, now, you always need a bit of greenery. You know what? I was thinking today, because I'm not going to really get a chance to, hope you all are going to be enjoying yourselves this summer and get a chance to take a vacation or something like that, because this year, as with last year, I'm not going to be doing a big vacation or anything like that. I'm going to be home most of the summer because I'm having some dental work done, as I told you before. And it's most expensive dental work. Sometimes I think dentists are a ripoff. Oh, I'm liking that page. I'm liking that page. I wish it had, let's see if the book, oh, look at these purples though. Look at that. Is that purple? These purples not beautiful? They are beautiful. Beautiful, these purples that are in here. Now, what I want to do now is, it doesn't have that many, it doesn't have a lot of words in it. It has 444 pieces. I'm going to put on here. No, not that. I think I want this because I'm using greenery. I like this to fall in there like that. See, because I'm using the diamond shape, so I want that in there like that. I think I like this the way it is. Let's take a quick look and see what you think. Take a quick look, see what you think. What do you guys think about this spread for this week? That's my whole spread. Now, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. I'm using the Beauty and Florals book. And the Beauty and Florals book, I think it's a lot of purples and pinks. It's very pretty if you haven't seen it. If you want me to do a complete flip through of this, write it down in the comments and I'll flip through what's left that I didn't use on this spread. So I thank you for joining me. Be the reason somebody smiles. And I'm all off this week. And I mean, off by not being on top of the way I am with my spread. But I'm telling you, I like this spread. I like how it looks. I think it's beautiful. So be the reason somebody smiles. Take care of yourselves. Enjoy yourselves. And also be happy. Just be happy. Live your life the best life you can. And be safe. Take care, my friends. I'll see you all in the next video. And I'll talk to you later. Bye now.